part 66 of chapter 3. Jalal one day addressed his son, saying, Bahauddin, dost thou wish to love thy enemy and to be loved of him? Speak well of him and extol his virtues. He will then be thy friend. And for this reason, in like manner, as there is a road open between the heart and the tongue, so also is there a way from the tongue to the heart. The love of God may be found by bearing his comely names. God hath said, O my servant, take ye heed that ye often commemorate me, so that sincerity may abound. The more that sincerity prevails, the more do the rays of the light of truth shine into the heart. The hotter a baker's oven is, the more bread will it bake. If cool, it will not bake at all. And it's not that you don't prevent the evil of the malefactor. It's that you don't, that you maintain the conduct. That is why, and either it's worse on them, or but it's certainly better on you to be focusing on your mentioning of God and thinking about what's right, rather than thinking about what you're going to do about your enemy.